Alright guys, so I want you to watch this video that I'm about to show you now. This video is going to blow your mind. This CapCut trick is going to blow your mind. So watch the video.
This I've been asked a lot. It's pretty simple with CapCut PC. So we got this logo, drag and drop in the timeline. That's Google Chrome logo. Let me just reduce the size of it. Now make a duplicate of this, press Option or Alt and drag upwards. Click on the down one. Let's move it down to this side. Then go to Adjustments, click on Curves. We just want to make it white, so we're just going to take this up. Then go to Basic. Saturation, we can take it down. Then Exposure, we can bump it so we can get a white. I think this white looks clean, but I can move contrast to a bit. Now let me just move it back here, increase the size of it a bit. Then I can go to Video, click on Mask, Add Mask, and click on Circle Mask. Now I can just increase it a bit this way. Still under mask, go to feather and let's just increase that a bit. Now I can just reduce it and just place it behind this very logo. Now you can play around the feather a bit to your liking and go with it. You can now make a compound clip of this, Option G, to make it as one file. Then you can animate it to come on the screen or go out of the screen.
That was nice. Wow. Very nice. And that was done on CapCut PC. Right now, I want you to take your phone. Let's do this on CapCut app, mobile phone. Take your phone. Let's go. So first, we are going to open CapCut. Make sure you have the logo ready. Then you click on New Projects. Then select your logo. Use your logo. You add the logo. Then let us delete this CapCut watermark. Click like this, you delete it. Then we put this, make sure that this thing is, the aspect ratio should be 16:9. Put it like this. Then now we have to change the background so that we want to add a glow white shadow, right? A glow white shadow. So let's click on the background. We'll go to Image. Then we have to set it to something more like black. I think this one is okay for me. So what you're going to do now is you click on this, then you duplicate it. Then you take one, click on first one, then you come to overlay. You overlay it. Then now the thing is 2. So you have to take one, you have to take it like this, as he did. Understand? As he did. Then what we are going to do is we are going to click on it, go to Adjustment, then we'll click on your brilliance, raise it, then we'll go to the graphs, then we'll raise it. You see, we'll do to achieve the white look. So we'll go to contrast, we'll raise it up, brightness, we'll raise it. So right now I feel like the thing is now white as it's supposed to be. Then we'll come, we increase it like this. All right, so we increase it, and we'll go to mask. And go to mask, you select the circle, then you say put it like this. Okay, so when we put it like this, we'll click on it, then we'll go to feather. Then you can easily add the feather. Then you can play around to get what you want. For me, I would like my own to be like this. So you play around to get what you want. You can easily do it anyhow you want to do it. You can do it like this. You can increase it, lower it. Just you don't know how you want it to be like. That's all. It's as simple as that. You know how. So this one,
if it's too strong, you can dial it down a bit more. And now when you look at the animation, it's gonna look more smooth and clean and professional.
In my next video, I will do this. I will recreate this on CapCut Mobile. So all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel and drop a comment below, or any trick that you want me to try out in CapCut Mobile. drop it on the comment section and I will recreate it in CapCut Mobile. See you in my next video. God bless you. And as always, stay creative, stay winning, and stay consistent.